In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Hotmail account with a simple and straightforward method. If you're locked out and need to regain access, this step-by-step guide will help you get back into your account quickly. Start by opening your browser and heading over to the Outlook login page via Microsoft 365. Click on Sign In to begin. Next, type in the email address linked to your Hotmail account. Double check for accuracy, then click Next. On the password page, select Forgot Your Password. This is the gateway to recovering your account. Microsoft will now ask you to verify your identity. You can choose methods like receiving a code through your linked phone number or alternate email. Select the option that works best for you and enter the code to confirm. After verification, you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure it's strong, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using obvious details like your name or birthday. Now, return to the login page and sign in with your email and new password. If done correctly, you'll regain full access to your Hotmail account. To prevent future issues, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection whenever you log in, and there you have it, an easy step-by-step method to recover your Hotmail account. Keep your recovery options updated and your password secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful guides.